just sitting in his living room Tuesday night.
A hum that Contact 2's Mike Colombo has heard a lot about. And as
we've received dozens of phone calls. There is still no definitive answer on what's causing it.
This is not alone in claiming a hum. Other major cities on the other side of the world, from England to Australia, say they have their own versions of the buzzing sound.
Guys, what is going on?
Strange sounds are being heard around the world. In Sweden, this sure sounds like a trumpet. In Michigan, another trumpet-like sound.
Something out of the War of Worlds.